Hey you, it's Sunjung from 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝘾𝙃. If you have eczema or skin problems with rashes and hives, and if your skin problems have gotten worse during COVID, this video might be helpful to you. I released this video, 3 simple steps to stop itching, just a couple of months ago. And this video is performing so well, and I want to share this with you. I don't have COVID rashes per se, but I had struggled with eczema for past 30 plus years, so I know a lot about rash and hives and skin problems. And this is the simple technique I developed learning from 𝙈𝙊𝙍𝙗 Martinez, and it seems to work really well. It's a simple breathing technique that you can do to lower and calming down your inflammation by shifting hormones just by breathing. Pretty amazing, right? And I do this a couple of times a day, and hopefully it'll help you. And obviously it helps a lot of people. And I got a comment today, and this comment is from Pluto. Thank you so much. I applied these tips and my skin is much better after not scratching my eczema. So I'm so glad that worked out for you. So check out 3 simple steps to stop itching video and let me know how it goes. And I'll link that video. And also you can find more information about how to cure eczema at 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝘾𝙃.com.